Hi everyone and welcome back. So today we are on baby step number 10, I believe. And so what we're gonna be doing today is 15 minutes of decluttering. Now, I'm here in my bedroom because this is actually where I'm going to start my decluttering. So I made a video a little bit earlier today and I'll link it up here for you. And it's talking about the zones. Now, it'll kind of explain where you are right now if you're not watching this at the moment, the same day I'm making it. So today for me is January 20th, 2020. So I'm actually in zone 4. So definitely check out that video if you want to go and find out what zone you're in. But what we're going to do is start our timers for 15 minutes and that's it. That's all we're going to do. We can't clean clutter. So first we have to declutter before we actually get to real cleaning. So that is gonna become part of our afternoon routine, is just 15 minutes of decluttering. So if you wanna go ahead and do that, absolutely go for it. Now, we also need to do our weekly basic plan. Whatever your day is, my day was the weekly home blessing hour. And I've already done that. That took a lot out of me. So I'm really tired and I probably look really tired. I have this shark steamer mop that is just super, super heavy. But I did it and you can too. And I'll link up here if you want to go and check that out. So what we have now is before bed, we need to go and after we're done doing our dinner thing, we need to go and make sure that we're loading the dishwasher, wipe down those counters and clean out your sink, make it shine. We also need to do 2 minutes on our hot spot. Make sure that you lay out your clothes and do a 5-minute room rescue. Tomorrow morning, what we're gonna do is we're going to get dressed to shoes as always. We're going to unload the dishwasher and for me, I'm also reading the morning musing. So here's my 15-minute room decluttering. Like I said, I'm starting in zone 4, which is the bedroom, and I'm only spending 15 minutes. So here we go.